Now the question is, this is a question given to me. Question number 8 I am solving better right now. There is this diagram. This is a curve given to us, and this is a straight line. Okay, this is called x equals to a, which they have given us in the diagram. The equation of this curve is given y equals to 1 plus x square. Okay, and this is a shaded region. This is a complete shaded region. I'm writing equation over here, beta. Y equals to 1 plus x square. Okay, and this is the complete shaded region which I have got right now. Okay, now first of all, they are telling us that we have to find the area of shaded region A in terms of A. Okay, this is my A given. This is area A, and this is another area, right? And this area is given as B. Okay. The concept of integration application is that beta, whenever we are going to have um, any curve and I want to find area under that curve, I have to integrate that equation. Okay, I have to integrate that equation between the limits. If I will integrate this curve, which is given over here, between this limit 0 to a, I will have this area under the curve till the given axis. Okay, that's the basic concept which we are going to do over here. So they are saying find a, find area A in terms of this A. Okay, so how will I do it? This area which is given over here is under this curve. This is the curve. Okay, and the equation of curve is given 1 plus x squared. Okay, it is under this one, so I am going to use 1 plus x squared, and I am going to integrate it from 0 to a, because this is the 0 point and this is the a point. A is between these two, right? Integrating it, you guys know how to integrate it. X plus x cube over 3, 0 to a. Okay, integration of one will be x, integration of this will be x square, will become x cube, and then divided by 3. Now applying my limit, a plus a cube over 3, and when I will apply 0, I will have no, everything will become 0. That's why I'm not going to write anything over there. Okay, I have just applied the value of a in this one, and I have got this result. Okay, that is the first thing which they have asked for. They have asked for find area A, and they have told us to find it in terms of A. Okay, so that is the first thing they have asked, and I have written it over here. Okay, now the next thing. Now, what is the next thing they are saying? 1 minute, beta. In the next thing they are saying, that is my first part. It's over here. The next thing is they are saying area of A equals to area of B. This is the second part which is given to me, and they are telling us that A and B are same. Area of A and area of B are same. Okay. and they are telling us that if area of A and B are same, I have to find the value of small a. Right? Now, how will I work with this one? First of all, I have to find this thing. And then I will equate it with this one and I will have my answer over there. Now, how to find this? That is a new thing. See, whenever we are going to find area under the curve, there can be two axes. Either it is along with x-axis, like this one. This is the area under the curve, and that is your, it was with x-axis. So I have differentiated, I have integrated it with respect to x. See, I have integrated it with respect to x. Right? Now, b is there. This is my b. Now, this b is telling me, okay, fine. You have to now find this one. How can I find it? I have to take y-axis with this curve. Area of y-axis with this curve. I have to find this thing. Now, what will I do? Equation of the curve is given. See, I'm drawing it over here again, beta, so you can get a better idea. Y equals to 1 plus x squared. Okay, that's your equation. Y equals to 1 plus x squared. First of all, I was having it with x-axis. So I've integrated it with respect to x. Now, I'm erasing this part so you guys can be clear. Okay. Now I'm having it b, which is with y-axis, which is with y-axis. Now what will I do? What is the axis? Y-axis. When it is y-axis, two things you have to do. First of all, your equation subject should be x and equation should be in terms of y. Over here, when it was with x-axis, this is the subject was y, equation was given in terms of x. Now it is with y-axis, so subject should be x. That's the first thing you have to do, and equation should be in the terms of y. Okay, that's your first thing. So what will I do? Y equals to 1 plus x squared. Y minus 1 equals to x squared. X equals to under root y minus 1. Okay, under root y minus 1, and I can also write it as y minus 1 power half. Okay, that is my first thing which I have to do, and I have done it over here. Right? Now, what is the second thing? First of all, I have whatever was the equation given. If I am using it with y-axis, I have shifted my equation. X becomes the subject of the equation. Equation becomes in terms of y. Okay, that was the first thing I have done. Now the second thing which I have to do, I will integrate this equation with respect to y. I will integrate this equation because I'm using y-axis. Okay, keep this thing in your mind. If you are using x-axis, you will integrate with respect to x. Your equation should be in terms of x. If you are using y-axis, then equation should be in terms of y. And when I am going to integrate it, I will integrate with respect to y. Okay? I have got my equation. Now I am going to work for my limits over here. Equation is y equals to 1 plus x squared. That was my equation. One is this point. This point is also given, that is x equals to a. Now, how will I find my limit for this one? First of all, your curve is coming on y-axis. Okay, it's starting from here. Okay, if you will like look like this, you will see okay, it is starting from this point. This is your starting point, and it is at y-axis, and we know that at y-axis, x is always equals to 0. X is always equals to 0. It means that what will be this point? Y equals to 1. This point will be 1 because x is 0. Right? That's my first part. Now, for the second part, this is the ending point of the limit over here. Okay, you can see it in your book, that is more visible. And at that point, x is given as a. So, if at this point x is given as a, what will be my y? How will I find it? Y equals to 1 plus x square. Y will be what I have done. At this point, the value of x is a, right? And I have to find value of y. This is the curve equation going. So at this point, I have plotted value of x as a. So at this point, the 1 plus a squared. At this point, the value of y will be 1 plus a square. So these will be my two limits. Okay. So I have got my limits over here. I am going to integrate it from 1 to 1 plus a square y minus 1 power half dx. Sorry, not dx, dy. Okay. And I'm going to integrate it, right? Now the thing is that they are saying area of A equals to area of B. Area of A I have already found. Now I'm going for area of B, right? How to find area of B? I'm going to integrate this thing. Integrate y minus 1 power half with respect to y. And what will be the limit? Limit will be 0 to 1 plus a square. Okay. Why I am doing like this? This is the thing. Area B is with curve and y-axis. When this kind of thing is given to you, you have to first of all convert your equation in term of y, and then you have to integrate it with respect to y. Okay, that's the rule you are going to follow. We have already discussed this thing. I have already explained it to you. I'm just giving it to you again. Okay. Okay, this point is 1 and 1. Now, when we do integration, okay, there is a whole power given to you guys. How will you work with this one? First of all, y minus 1 half plus 1. Okay, and in the denominator, what you are going to do? You will write the new power, and the coefficient will be multiplied by coefficient of y, but y's ones are not going to do anything over here. I'm not going to apply anything else. I don't have to. And as it is a definite integral, so 1 plus a square. Okay, So when I will simplify this thing, this will become y minus 1 power 3 upon 2, and this will become 2 over 3, 1 2 1 plus a square. Now this is the most simplified form of my integration. So now I am going to apply my limits which are given to me. I will be applying those limits over here. Okay. So how will I apply it? First of all, 1 plus a square will be plotted over here, and then 1 will be plotted. See beta. 2 y is written. I will write 1 plus a square. 1 plus a square minus 1 power 3 upon 2 upon 3. This is my simplified integration. In place of y, I have written 1 plus a square. 2 is written outside as it is. Minus 1 is inside as it is. 3 is in the denominator as it is. Power 3 upon 2. Power 3 upon 2. Okay. Next thing. 1 is given. This one will be plotted over here. So minus 2, 1 minus 1, 3 upon 2 over 3. Right? 1 minus 1 will be 0. 0 multiplied by everything. This whole thing will become 0. Minus 1 plus 1. Okay. 2a square into 3 upon 2 upon 3. Cancellation. 2a cube over 3. What is that? That is your area of B. But this was not my task. They were not asking for area of B. They have asked for that if area of A and area of B are equal, you have to find the value of A. Okay. So what was area of A coming? It was coming A plus A cube over 3. Right? And what is this one coming? This one is coming 2a cube over 3. Okay. Now, what can I do first of all? I am taking LCM. 3a plus a cube over 3 equals to 2a cube over 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 3a equals to, this shifted over here, that will become a cube. Right? Simplifying it further, a cube minus 3a equals to 0. Now I can take common a square minus 3 into a equals to 0. Now there can be two choices. Either a will be equals to 0 or a square will be equals to 3. A equals to 0. No, this cannot be 0. The point where x is showing equals to a, that point cannot be 0. So this thing is not applicable. Okay, this thing is not applicable. A equals to plus minus under root 3. Again, this point cannot be negative. So a equals to under root 3 will be your final answer, and a equals to minus under root 3, again that part is also not applicable. Okay, so my final answer will be a equals to under root 3 for this point. Okay, and you can convert it into decimal also if you want to.